1,500 or 2,000 square foot location that you can pay rent. You could know that this is your home, this is where your clients come to get results, and you just focus on serving them. So Jake asked me, what do I do with this fear that I'm experiencing? Because I've been a personal trainer for 13 years. I've been working for the man, and now I want to go out and work on my own business. I've got this vision, but my family's not behind me. They're afraid that I might fail. And he goes, I feel this is the year. This is my do or die moment. Now, first of all, I got to stop you right there, Jake, and tell you, listen, there is no specific do or die moment. Don't put that much pressure on you that this one day, this one year is your specific day or year to make it, because that's a lot of pressure, man. And if you don't make it, because most businesses take a lot longer to succeed than you would imagine, then you're going to feel like you were defeated. This is not your do or die moment. I hope that you can overcome your fear. I hope that you can stop listening to the critics and to the doubters and start focusing on the thing that you want to do, which is to help more people with this solution that you've discovered. But the reality is you're not dealing with fear. You've built up the anticipation so much that you're starting to feel this paralysis by overanalysis. Instead, what I want you to do is cut your work hours in half and start spending time training clients outside of that big box gym that you work for, right? And then eventually, maybe it's gonna be 6 months or a year from now, you're gonna cut your other half of your work away and you're gonna start working full-time, working on your business. And maybe you're gonna be paying rent to someone right now. But eventually, 2 years from now, you're gonna open up your own location. And it's not gonna be a 5,000 square foot location. It doesn't have to be the do or die location. It just has to be a 1,500 or 2,000 square foot location that you can pay rent. You could know that this is your home, this is where your clients come to get results, and you just focus on serving them. Later on, you can expand to a 4,000, 5,000 square foot location. So the biggest thing I want to share with you here is, one, there's no big do or die moment. Don't create that. Don't build up the anticipation and the fear so much that you feel overwhelmed by it. Number two, you got to stop listening to the critics. And I know they mean the best for you, but you got to stop listening to the critics. You got to stop listening to their fear-based doubts. And then number three, you got to start taking small pieces of action every day. So I don't want you to go quit your job today and go sign a lease tomorrow. I just want you to go find 2 clients that you can train outside of the big box gym on your own, where you make 100% of the money from them. And then in the next month, find 2 more. In the next month, find 2 more, and slowly you phase away your job and you get into your entrepreneurship, and life becomes a lot better that way.